Today I'm going to be changing the engine air filter in a 2012 Honda Fit. We start off by unlatching the trunk, hit the release for the, or not the trunk, the hood. I keep saying trunk. So we get the hood released on, and then there's our second safety lever. You reach just left of the emblem, lift up, and that goes. Then we put our kickstand in this little square hole. Make sure it's notched in and secure. You don't want that to fall on your head. So this is our box here for our air filter. There were these little rubber tabs on here to secure it, but they have fallen off. But make sure those are unclipped there. Make sure this unclips here. Then you got to finagle. So kind of lift up and pull out. And then we're going to separate this from this. We get to our air filter. Now I already put the fresh one in here, and you can see the orientation. The tall part fits down there, and then let's throw it back in. So that's our filter. There's also this little notch which makes sure you can't put it upside down. Then as we put it back on, we slip this part back in. Boom. If these rubber things there were clipped, we'd put those on, but make sure these are clipped and that'll hold. All right, that's how you do the engine air filter. There'll be a link in the description for the filter itself. If this was helpful, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.